Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, I decided to do another analysis again. This I'm currently on the chart of Usdchf, and this is a monthly time frame. So, we can see on the monthly time frame that price is very bearish. We do on our what we do here is top-down analysis. Though we are most likely not going to use the monthly time frame, but we're just going to use it to check for directional purposes. So we come from the monthly and then we go straight down to the weekly. So what do we currently see on the weekly? I've done the analysis, but I just want to explain to you guys what I see here. You can see that on the weekly time frame, price has been bearish, and recently we broke below this low structure, broke below this low, and currently for past few weeks now, price has been bullish, retracing. This is an expansion, and then this is a retracement, going back to at least the 50% of the range that caused the break of structure. That is basically what we do. What we do is we don't complicate things, make it simple and straightforward. Now, this is the expansion we're looking at. This is the trading range we are looking at. This high and this low, and then we had a break of structure, which is this one here. And then within this trend here, we have internal structures, and now price is currently retracing. For the past few days, price has been retracing. You see the retracement now. This is the expansion and this is the retracement. And the overall direction from the monthly time frame as we have seen on the monthly, it's bearish. So which means we are going to be waiting for price to retrace back. At least look at where I'm looking at. This place I put in this box is where I'm looking at. I'm looking at price to go back to that high and then beginning to sell while we follow the higher time frame direction, which is what sells. Now let's go to the H4 so that we'll see what price action is currently doing. On the H4, still the same thing. We are looking at this trend here, this range. This is what we are looking at. We can see that price has been going bullish, and then we are expecting price to react to feel there's an imbalance within here. You see where I put this yellow box here, there's an imbalance, and then price coming back to this imbalance, filling it up, and then either filling it up and retracing, or filling it up and retracing, or going back to these highs here and hitting these highs for a sell. So this is basically what we are looking at. You see we had an expansion that broke structure, which is this BOS here, and then inside this expansion, these are what internal structure. This movement here, they are all internal structures, and now price has to retrace back to at least the 50% of this range. Let's use our Fibonacci retracement to check if price is currently at 50% already. You see price just above the 50%, so we are currently at the premium. So anytime that any price action that we see a break of structure, breaking below significant structure, we are going to be selling. Why? Because price is already above 50% of this range. So but what I'm waiting on is I'm waiting for price to fill up this imbalance here, this inefficiency, and then react to these highs here. Then while I get a break of structure, any break of structure downward here, I'm going to be selling this bet. But currently I am buying this bet till we get a break of structure, till we get a change of direction. I'm currently in this trade. I'm buying here. I think I'm going to be closing it now because price is just not moving. The reason why price is not moving, I think Friday is NFP. That's why price is actually not moving. But this is the market structure in general as a whole. Anything can happen. You understand? Anything can happen. Price can just decide to go above and blast out and just break above this higher, this invalidation point here. This rule here, price can just decide to just go and break above it. So what we always wait for, we wait for our confirmation, wait for price to hit this level, fill it up, wait for price to get to this place and give us a reaction, and we have to see an internal break of structure. We have to see a change of character before we can decide to sell. We are not going to be selling until we see a change of character. But as it is now currently, since this trend is still very bullish, I'm buying till I get a, this is just a short-term trade. It's not a long-term trade. It's a short-term trend. So I'm currently buying till I get a structural change to sell. So that is it. Make sure that your trade are very straightforward. Make sure that your analysis are straightforward and everything you are looking for is there. This is an expansion retracement. It's just to follow its expansion retracement, retracing back to an origin, filling up imbalances, filling up, taking out liquidities and all of that. Your own is just to wait for price to go back to your zones. Thank you very much. That is the analysis for the week on USDCHF. If you want me to do analysis on any pair at all, please do not forget to comment on it. Just let me know the pair you want me to do analysis on, and I'll come back here and do a video on it. And also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much and God bless you. Peace out.